Back to our channel. Today we're going to be making slime. And earlier we made the swirly thing with the food dye.
Yeah.
Mine was the best. And mine was like the cool. Yeah, he got a volcano. So we're making slime. Oh wow, that goes out there way fast. I know. It's farting. It works for Project Zorgo. This isn't even all my glue.
Oh, 8 spoons.
No, I don't.
You use your hands?
No.
Sorry.
This is hard. I think I got all my glue. Yeah. Oopsie. I keep telling you guys, it's good.
Oh, you glue everywhere. There you go.
I want mine to be blue.
Blue. What color are you doing, Drew? You're doing green, of course, like earlier. Now we'll do yellow.
One, left, two, left.
This is not yellow, it's orange. I'll do orange.
Mine. Okay, so now I need some. Do I do it first and then the borax? Do I mix this up first?
You tell me, you're the professional.
I did lots of borax. I have a food and I'm gonna mix.
Mixing it in?
Yeah.
Mine looks like yellow.
Mine is kind of green. Whoa, guys. So, I got glue for coloring and this is borax. My dad's using water. I'm not using water today.
How do you know how much borax to add?
We don't.
Oh my God, Drew. I'm trying so fast.
They're taking advice from their own thoughts. I actually went on another YouTube channel and
He copied someone else. I'm making it green, guys. I think I need some more borax. And make sure at the end of this video, make sure to click the bell. Oh no, I know what I did. What did mine turn into?
I don't know.
We have a little bit of water.
You need water now?
Water.
Here.
Should we use this?
Yeah, keep mixing.
Why? What happened to
Pull the
it?
water in.
It's because it's too thick now.
What's happening with this?
It's gonna be crunchy.
Following their own rules. What's happening?
It's gonna be crunchy. I'm gonna win. I know. Why is mine? What is mine? What's this?
What's happening? You guys, so I followed someone else's rules. Look what I have.
This is what I have. Ew.
What do you have, Drew?
I just have nothing.
Let's add a little bit of water to yours.
Yeah.
Now stir it up.
Paper towel.
Nope, that's your slime. You gotta play with it.
Please give me a paper towel.
I'll grab you one. Just stir it up a bit better. No, hold on, stir it really good. Keep stirring it for a little bit here, buddy.
I think I need some more water.
Now keep stirring. Keep stirring it. I showed Drew's. Keep stirring it, Drew. Keep stirring. I'm gonna add the borax to it. Keep stirring. Stir faster. Stir faster. Stir faster.
I want to redo mine.
You can redo yours. Do you have any glue left?
I know. Please don't make
Oh, you got plenty of glue. Stir it up really fast, buddy. Now go fast, 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 fast. Fast, fast, fast.
Look at mine.
Shouldn't it be like this?
Oh, come on.
Keep stirring it faster, Drew. Stir it faster. Stir it faster. You got it.
Oh, it's so good.
If you add more borax, it'll get better, actually. That would still work. Keep stirring
And
it.
you gave me a
Keep
paper
stirring.
towel.
Keep stirring.
I need a big.
Keep
I don't have a thing anymore. It's jiggly. I don't have a thing anymore. Oh, that's slime. It's so jiggly. So jiggly like slime.
No! No! No!
I need a paper towel.
Drew.
I need a paper towel.
You're yours is all set, Drew. Let me get. Hold on.
Ah. Hey, get out! I'm gonna redo mine. What happened to
I
mine?
don't know. What do you think went wrong?
I think I had way too much for it. I just have slime.
Do you slime, Betty?
Give me!
So I have slime. Drew has slime. Who doesn't have slime?
So I need more paper towels.
Okay, hold on. Let's get yours up. Hold on, we're gonna fix this.
I had way too. I'm gonna use a different color this time.
Actually, you had slime there at the end, honey. It was just a.
This time, Sophie.
Okay, Sophie, just keep on going. It's okay, your hands are covered. Ready? Pour it all in there. Really good. New spoon. That's good, that's enough. New spoon. Start stirring that in. Add a little bit of water. Just that much, that's it. Where's the blue? Put the blue in there. But stir it, yes, stir it really good. Get it all mixed up.
Different color, different color.
Okay,
Different color.
keep going.
When I was doing good,
Stir, 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 stir. Fast, 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 fast,
I
fast,
had
fast.
water.
I'll mix it all in first. Say goodbye, everybody.
I need some borax.
Oh, sweet color there.
I got like baby blue.
Keep stirring. Ooh, I think it's a quick go. Keep stirring.
Oh, you got some on me.
It's okay. It's just not gonna hurt you.
Oh,
Just you can't eat it.
I know that. I can't eat glue. Why do I have a tiny bit like this?
Because we ran out of glue because someone used too much the first try.
I have slime.
Woohoo! Now we're gonna end
No,
it.
I don't have any slime.
Keep going. Keep spinning it. Add more borax.
I got a slime now. I can't believe I had slime. This is the awesomest day ever. I need a paper towel.
Get it? You add more borax?
I have nothing right now.
You did. Hold on.
Should I touch it? Should I touch it? It's so. I got my slime out. I got my slime out. I can't believe I got
No, blue. It's fine. No, so parched. No, you need together. So what do we have now? Hold on.
Got slime now. So say goo. I can't. Who do you think is better? Mine.
Who's is better? Yours is better than mine?
Yeah. On the other guys's.
Ho 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 ho.
I
Next
told you
thing.
guys. I told you. No, not for me. Erika, see this?
There you go.
No, mine.
Sophie, you wanna fight through?
Take a bite. Take a bite. Solid.
Solid.
I'll look at it. I'll look at it.
What's inside there?
Scorpion.
Why?
Yeah, it's a. It tastes good.
Should we break it open and see if there's really a scorpion in there?
Yes. Break
Should we-
it open.
Should we break it open and see if there's really a scorpion in
Break
there?
it open. What if it's alive?
They couldn't be alive inside the.
Yeah, it's probably dead.
Um.
Oh,
Hold on. Let me get something to break it open.
Drew,
Running past you again.
Drew, get off the table.
Are you mine? You mine? I want mine. Ew!
Get off the table.
How about at the end of this video we can mix them up together?
Okay. Specialized tool just for the job.
You killed it.
You broke it.
Oh.
If it wasn't dead before, it is
Mm.
now.
Give me a piece.
Don't eat that.
I an idea. I have an idea.
Oh, yeah, try eating it.
I'm gonna eat this piece. I'm gonna eat this piece. I'm gonna eat this piece. Does you make
Is there a thing inside of it?
No.
There is?
No. I made
Are
the
you
best.
scorpion?
I get the best. There's nothing in this one.
There's a little claw in this one.
I cannot bite into it.
Good, pretty good.
Ow.
Poison me. It's like candy. It's like candy.
I ate some. It's candy.
Alright.
We found some candy lollipop.
What are we supposed to do now?
Subscribe and hit the bell. Subscribe and hit the bell. Bye guys.